Hi folks, my name is Garret Hoff, Pre-Bar Associate at Rutan and Tucker LLP and founder of the Autism Tree Intern and Volunteer Program. I'm so excited to be presenting an article of mine that was recently published by the Duke Law and Technology Review at this year's Autism Tree Annual Global Neurodiversity Conference. As somebody who once attended this conference as an inquisitive young volunteer, it feels special to be on stage this time presenting published research of my own. What makes this year's conference even more special to me is that this year, alongside some of the leading autism researchers of our time, I'll be up on stage talking about research inspired by the financial sacrifices I've seen families in the Autism Tree community make daily. If you're curious and want to learn more, I sincerely hope you can attend, whether in person this Friday, November 7th, or virtually through UCTV's broadcast of the conference. I know firsthand the power this conference has to inspire the curious and provide the best answers we have in a time and a history of uncertainty. I hope it does the same for you. Thank you.